Let's talk about dizziness in seniors. It's way more than just a minor inconvenience. When an elderly person falls, it's easy to just blame age, but what if it's actually the dizziness? Check this out. In India, up to half of all seniors deal with this every single year.
So yeah, it's a really common and serious problem. You are definitely not alone.
And once you're over 70, it becomes even more common, especially for women.
And get this, it's usually not just one thing. It's often a mix, but the inner ear is a big one.
So just brushing it off as old age, that's where the real danger lies. Feeling dizzy actually triples your risk of having a dangerous fall or fracture. And a new study from 2024 calls it what it is, a clear warning sign for future injuries. If we act on that warning, we could prevent up to 30% of related hospital visits. That's huge. Right, so how do we figure out what's really going on behind the dizziness? Well, two of the biggest culprits are often hiding in plain sight: inner ear issues and medications. First up is BPPV. It's caused by tiny, loose crystals in your inner ear. It's super common and very treatable. Then there's polypharmacy. Basically, the side effects from taking multiple meds can be the trigger for dizziness. This is why a full checkup is so important, reviewing meds and checking blood pressure properly. But here's the great news. Once you find the cause, there are proven ways to get stable again. The goal is active treatment, not long-term drugs that just mask the problem and delay recovery. For that BPPV we talked about, there's a simple, targeted fix called the Epley Maneuver. And it's incredibly effective. We're talking an 80% success rate. Wow. For other inner ear problems, rehab therapy is the way to go. It helps your brain and body adapt. This therapy can slash symptoms by 70%, and many of the exercises can be done right at home. So the main takeaway here is this: dizziness is not something you just have to live with. So, the big question is it just a symptom of age, or is it a signal for you to act?